Welcome to the quick tour of the PowerPoint add-in from IconUncle. IconUncle gives you direct access to over 12,000 editable icons without subscription fees. Let's start with the installation. Download the Microsoft Certified add-in from the Office store and create a free account. Open your email inbox and confirm your email address to verify your account. After logging in, you will immediately have access to over 2,000 free icons. You can find icons via the search field or the collection selection. Insert the icon by simply clicking on the Insert button. The library offers you 4 different styles that fit perfectly into your presentation. All icons can be scaled and individually colored without loss of quality. IconUncle Pro gives you access to the entire icon library with over 12,000 icons at low cost.